Hello everyone. Today there's not going to be like a full video in which I make something. I'm just going to do a bit of an update to tell you about what's going to be happening over the next few weeks. So we can now start the new project, which I've been talking about a little bit, and I can reveal that I'm going to be making a Viking longship. So I want to try and do a sculpture of a Viking longship, obviously out of steel, not wood. And I want to try and do it as original as possible. However, obviously, I'm going to be making it out of steel, so there are going to be slight differences in how it's actually put together. But I want to try and create something, based off a Viking longship and as accurate as I can to what a Viking longship would actually look like. So I'm going to aim to do a video every 4 days, which is sort of what I have been doing previously anyway. But it may not be a video on the Viking longship every 4 days, as I've got some other videos which I've already filmed. I did a sort of challenge with my rugby club where they challenged us to cook a meal, and it was called Scrum Time with me, obviously. But we were supposed to cook a meal and video it and send it off to the rugby club where it could then be judged for its mealiness. And so I obviously just cooked some things in the forge very well. So you've got those videos to look forward to, which are a good laugh, I would say, or at least I had a lot of fun trying to make the videos, and people at the rugby club like them. So yes, those videos, I'll sort of do those interspersed. There's only 2 of them at the moment. I'll do those interspersed in between the Viking longship videos, so I've got more time to actually make the thing and then create the videos. Also, I want to apologise for my voice in the cooking videos. It's not my normal voice. It's a character. Let's call it one of those. It's not very good. Anyway, hopefully you can sort of understand what's going to be happening over the next few weeks. So there's going to be Viking longship and cooking videos. So yes, I hope that you enjoy both of them. Let me know what you're thinking about this new project that we're going to be taking on in the Viking longship. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. This is, again, one of those things that I just want to make, and so I figured I might as well just film me making it. This is sort of my hobby, really, at the moment. Obviously, I'm in the forge full time at the moment, so I do make things to sell, which I sell on my website and all of that stuff, but that's quite repetitive in a way. And then I do bigger commissions as well, but sort of the videos are the things that I want to make but won't necessarily sell, if you get what I mean. So doing the videos is my hobby, and then I just film them because why not, and people seem to like watching it on YouTube. So there we are. Right, I'm babbling on. Let's cut this video here. That'll be it, and I'll see you on the next video in which we start making the Viking longship.